What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's talk about how to download Windows 11.10.7 ISO file. Let's start by opening a browser on your computer. Then search for Windows ISO Files tool. Then open this website. In here, scroll down and click the Windows ISO downloader. After downloading it, open and run the tool. Now in here, you can see all the different versions of Windows from Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Now simply select the version that you want. Then change the version of it, whether you like the 64-bit or the other one. Now if you want the Windows 11, click the developer builds. Wait for it to finish loading the tool. Now when you're in the developer build, select the edition which you can now see the Windows 11. There you go. You can simply choose here what edition of Windows that you need, then just simply download it.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.